Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this lesson, lesson 13, I will explain you how to use the functions in Golang. We will cover the syntax of a function, the first function main, the return type, the name return, and the multiple returns. Let's start. In Go, a function is declared using the keyword func, followed by the name of the function, a list of parameters, and the function body. This one is the general syntax for declaring a function. The function name is the name of the function, which can be any valid identifier. The parameter 1, type 1, parameter 2, type 2, etc. is a list of parameters that the function takes. Each parameter consists of a name and a type. If a function takes no parameter, this section is omitted. The return time specifies the data type of the value that the function returns. If a function doesn't return a value, this section is omitted. Now let's talk about the first function, the main function. In Go, the main function is the entry point of the program. It's where the execution of the program starts. The main function is special because it's called by the Go runtime when the program is run. It doesn't take any parameters and doesn't return any values. Here is an example of the main function.
Custom function.
The following example that we are going to write is the function that takes two integers as parameters and returns the sum of the two integers. Let's write the keyword func, then the name of the function, for example add, the list of parameters a and b of type int, and then the return type int. Open and close parentheses, and inside let's write return a plus b. We can use also the short variable declaration syntax within the function's parameter list. To call the function, we go inside the main function and type the name of the function add, passing the values, and then we print in the console the sum. Let's test the code. Open the terminal and type go run main.go. Let's discuss the return type in Go. In Go, function can return one or more values. The return type is specified after the parameter list and before the function body. In the example function add, we can see the returns as int value. The name return is a way to return a value directly from the function using the return keyword without having to specify the name of the value again. Let's see in action with a different example. Instead of having only float 64, we can add the name of the return variable like result. The result variable is automatically created by Go and its value is returned directly by the return statement. To call the function, we go inside the main one, type the name of the function and pass in the value. Now let's test the code. Open the terminal and type go run main.go. Perfect. Let's talk about multiple returns. Go allows us to return multiple values from a function. Let's write an example of a function that takes two integers as parameter and returns their sum and product. To call the function, we go inside the main one, type the name of the function, pass in the values. We can use the multiple return values in a multiple assignment like this one. Sum product equal the name of the function, add and multiply, and then the value 3 and 4. Let's test the code. Open the terminal and type go run main.go. Finally, Go allows us to have a function with no name, as known as anonymous functions. They are useful when they will only be called once. Here an example. Let's test the code. Open the terminal and type go run main.go. Perfect. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you find helpful and now you have better understanding of how to use the functions in Golang. Don't forget to try it out this example and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new video that I will upload, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.